Hey, our little pal Spot got a job. Spot got a job.
Right on.
I mean, Spot's got many jobs,
him.
but Spot specifically got a job from Ford. Speaking of Ford, they're going to use 2 Spot robots to map out its manufacturing facility, which these are enormous facilities. And I know a lot of people were asking, what's the application for these things? Well, you can hook them up with a ton of sensors and cameras and a bunch of other stuff to map physical space. And this is important because when you have a giant facility like Ford would have here, it goes through changes over the time period which it's being utilized. Things get moved around, different machinery, storage, things change. And how do you get an accurate map if you want to do a redesign or you need to add a new model or new parts or whatever? You need an accurate map. So apparently that's what they're going to be using these Spot robots for, particularly in their transmission manufacturing plant. These plants, Ford explains, have undergone any number of changes since their original construction. It's difficult to know if the plans that they have match up with the reality of the plants that exist today. So the original plans have been modified. The Spot robots, with their laser scanning and imaging capabilities, will be able to produce highly detailed and accurate maps that Ford engineers can then use to modernize and retool the facility. They move around for 2 hours at a time, 3 miles per hour continuously, 5 cameras, laser scanners, and then they can synthesize all that information into an overall picture. Some are asking, can a human do this? Well, maybe, but Spot might do a better job also. Spot might be kind of cool to have around. I don't know. A couple Spots running around the facility. You're showing a video right now of some of the capabilities. I mean, it's kind of amazing, really.
Yeah. They called him Fluffy, though.
Oh, they named Spot Fluffy?
Yeah.
That's rude. Spot does not approve of that. I asked Spot about that just the other day.